Slowly and steadily wins the race. In today's world, everything is in the internet and everything is about online things and that stuff. And what is JavaScript and how we can use it in that? Good day for everybody. My name is Andrea and today we are going to be talking about a topic that is coding with Grasshopper. So let's go with our topic page. So the topics that we are going to be speaking about it are: what did I learn in this course? What did I like about this course? What is JavaScript? And where can I use JavaScript in today's world? My favorite mini course, and finally conclusions. So let's go to our first topic, that is, what did I learn in this course? So first of all, what I learned in this course was that codes are kind of difficult, but you can understand it in an easy way. That is how Grasshopper is trying to show to you. And the main thing that I have understand was that if you are doing a code, even a small part of it can be changing all the way of how the code is going to be functioning. It also can be able to make a different action than the other. Maybe if the grasshopper is going to be jumping, now it's going to be running, just for change a small part. And that was something that shocked to me, that is really difficult for you to do code, because if you change only something, or if something is missing or you make a mistake, you're going to be having some mistakes in the next part that is about interactions or action that is going to be doing your code. So let's go to our next topic, that is, what did I like about this course? What did I like? The main thing was that this app or software, this course, is trying to you to show how easy could be the codes, or how easy you can understand it, because they are trying to show to you that code could be easy and funny too, because everything is about actions or something that is going to be doing our grasshopper. And also something that I like was that they were of course trying to be doing it like easy, and that also something interesting for me was that in some activities in those small courses was that they were able to be, in the first activity they were showing something to you that you need to understand it with your instructions and the explication in the same place. And then next, in the other activity that is below that, is trying to you to show or ask you a small question that could be easy if you understand it, or if you need to recap what you're trying to understand, and that you have only 3 questions and that you can analyze it really good. Another important thing to add is that you can be doing this course even in your cell phone, and I really like that, because if I don't have time in my computer, I am able to be doing in my cell phone. And that also I was able to be doing this course not like procrastinating or feeling that I'm gonna not to finish, because it's easy to understand it, and of course you need to be having your time for doing it. But I was able to be doing 30 minutes like in each moment, like not all the whole week I'm gonna be doing each day, but I was able to in some moments doing it like just 30 minutes, and then when I will like another 30 minutes, and I was able to finish it. And that was something that I enjoyed, because I don't feel stressed, because it was easy to understand it, and it will be not taking too much time if I put the effort and the ideas that needs to be behind it. So Now let's go to our next topic, that is what is JavaScript and where can I use JavaScript in today's world. So first of all, JavaScript is like the part, there are three parts: CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. HTML is like what you're going to be looking for in the text or the body of your web page or what you're coding basically. Then CSS is about like design and all of those ideas of put color, how it's gonna to be looking your web page or your maybe video game. And JavaScript is the interaction and the actions that you are gonna to be doing or be able to be doing in some times, in a specific time, or maybe in one click. The next important thing to know is that JavaScript is really important to you, to us, because in my case I would like to be using, maybe if I have a company or a project, but maybe I'm gonna to be able to be doing like a GIF, a pixel, I don't know, a video game even, or a web page, and I'm gonna to be able to be doing CSS, that is what I like, or design, or and I'm gonna to be able to add JavaScript, like the basics of JavaScript, and have those interactions that is gonna to be a mix between design and also moving. So now let's go to our next topic, that is my favorite mini cars. This part is about what I like the most, and was that there was a part that is about animation, and was a small mini course in this course that was about how you can be moving the things and in an easy way. And the other thing is developing a web page that you are able to be like coding, writing even what you're going to be doing. So that was my favorite mini course. So now finally let's go to my conclusions. So my conclusion is that Grasshopper was a tool that could be that you are able to learn like the main things or the body, the small part of JavaScript that is going to be helping you for if you want to use it in a web page, you can get involved in these topics, and you're going to be knowing and understand the main things. Then if you want to be using it in video games, you can be doing the same. And that was all of this presentation, and thanks for listening.